we decided we had to come up with a bunk bed solution for our boys. Now, you know I do not clean up for you when I videotape. However we left the camper is how we left the camper. We just got back from a weekend. So I'm going to talk about the ladder and the bunk bed. So this is actually something that's been upcycled. It is a hunting ladder that my husband put these rubber stoppers on. And then up here, this doesn't look the prettiest, but it does not move. He just used what we had around the house. PVC, there's a clip there. That he did, trying to jam it in because he didn't have it quite lined up. So that goes over there. We did make this little fan. He used his little engineering skills to get a fan, help get some airflow into the bottom bunk. And then as far as the teddy bear mattresses are concerned, there are 2 teddy bear mattresses up on this bed. So we took the lower bunk teddy bear mattress and put it on top. It was just so uncomfortable. I mean, I have no words to describe it. We're average weight, and I was still having my hip bones sink into the plywood when I lay with our boys at night. And it's not even an old camper, and we bought it brand new. So it's just not comfortable, but it's so much better with 2 mattresses on top. So that's our oldest son's bunk bed. And then our youngest son sleeps down here, and this needs some operating on. We just didn't get there yet because we bought a mattress off Amazon, and it was a blow-up mattress. I got the 6-inch one, and my husband just jammed it in here to let it blow up. He didn't realize that we were going to have to cut off a few inches before he put it in there, and then we went camping and we didn't cut it off yet. So this will get a few inches. I believe it needs 4 inches cut off. So that'll be done, and then that'll lay flat. I have laid on this now for 2 weekends as our son's falling asleep. It is so much more comfortable. My hip bone's not into the plywood. It's just so much better. So I'm happy with the changes for the mattresses because we do want to get good sleep. I just got this on Amazon. I think it was less than $100. And it's worked out so much better. And then we have the curved teddy bear mattresses that were factory now stacked on top of each other up here for our older son. So that's been helpful. The ladder's been great because we don't have the door anymore. We can technically keep this up all the time and just kind of boogie around there to get into the bathroom. So that works out well. And the fan helps circulate the airflow, but without the bathroom door, if you've watched my other videos, now this air can circulate nicely with that vent and then the vent that's in the bathroom. So this flows really nice now as far as air circulation. Before the bottom bunk, you were like choking because it was just so hot in the bottom bunk.